Nagai pibaru kinigilong khubor bam subscribe ya u an usamla Phrangki Buam ubashang basa Athangbuli West Jante Hills District ubde unong kai football ka jilla ula shapan kup buram de ka sarkar jilla lingba ka kyang nangba award kabri ka Khusnam hakalyang ka sports bat game. Ya ketika Khusnam kyang nangba award la ai daulat ka jilla upagu chohan men haka arfriu terik ukala lingkot hamadan polo. Usamla Phrangki Buam ude urang kai ka jilla but player India ubala kai hak Indian League ubala jumi khmadru na ka Real Kashmir FC, FC Goa, Mohammedan Sporting Club, FC Bangalore United, Royal wa Indo FC but minta ulay kai no na ka Shillong Lajong FC. Shushu ulat ulasam Khusnam ka Khusnam Meghalaya Day Award sha u Racing War Korkalang da ka Tirot Sing Award haka Arts and Literature. Ka Dr. Delphine G. Momin ya kapatugan sangma award.
Against the Al Wada from UAE in the Asian Champion League 2020, the country and the international forum. The government of Meghalaya is pleased to confer upon him, on the occasion of Meghalaya Day 2024, the Kyang Namba Award for Sports. Primary Health Center in the district of East Khasi Hills, Phutbol PHC. The top performing CA Marie Pura. She studied in Christian girls' school till class 10 and went on to do her pre-university and pre-medical in Cotton College, Guwahati. She completed MBBS in Guwahati Medical College in 1972. She applied to the Council of Baptist Churches. Football Club. In 2020, he joined FC Goa and played against the Al Wada from UAE in the Asian Champion League 2020. The country and the international forum. The government of Meghalaya is pleased to confer upon him, on the occasion of Meghalaya Day 2024, the